question that we've recently gotten is, how do you pass your time pre-trial? How do you make that time count? And I have 3 recommendations, but before I give them, I will say there's way more qualified people than I am, prison consultants, to actually tell you how to do this. From my perspective as a criminal defense attorney, I think first it helps if the client is able to get a job or a work assignment while they are incarcerated. I don't care if it's the mess hall, I don't care if it's sweeping. It's got to be something to make the time go, and also hopefully something that results in a good work evaluation that I could then submit to the sentencing judge. The second thing that I would recommend is that the client actually spends time with their discovery and looks at the case and goes to the law library, if there is a law library at the facility. It's one thing to say I have a lawyer, my lawyer will do a good job, but it's completely another thing when the client's involved in the case, when the client's asking good questions, when the client's telling us something doesn't make sense or something is missing, or just gives us their input. It's incredibly beneficial. And the third thing that I think people who are incarcerated pre-trial should do is engage in programming. Whether you're going for your GED classes, whether you're taking your college classes while you're incarcerated, whether you're doing programming, these are all good things to do. It will pass the time, and it also looks good for sentencing, the fact that you've used the time to benefit yourself. And I like going to sentencing with something in my hand to show to the judge, to say, Judge, this is what the client has done with the time the client was incarcerated, pre-plea or pre-trial. These are my 3 recommendations. Get a job, look at your discovery, and try to do programming. But again, there's prison consultants that could explain this 1,000 times better than me that I think may have slightly different recommendations than these 3.